Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can get more RAM on your Windows 11 or 10 desktop PC or laptop. So first let's see how much currently I RAM actually have. Now for doing that, just simply go to your settings, then go to your storage, then just simply scroll down and go to your advanced storage settings, then open storage used on other devices, then open your C drive, then open system and reserved. And over here, as you can see in my virtual memory, I only have 2.01 GB. Now we are going to change this. Now, in order for you to actually change this, what you have to do is just simply go back to system, then scroll down, then click on about. Now in about, just simply click on advanced system settings. Now in advanced system settings, just simply go to advanced, then go to the settings for performance. Now over here, just simply go to advanced again. Then in the virtual memory section, just simply click on change, then uncheck the box over here. Now just simply click on custom size. Now over here you have to calculate the minimum and the maximum size for your virtual memory. Now in order for you to actually do that, what you have to do is just simply open up your calculator first. Now what you have to calculate is, let me show you. Now the minimum should be at least 1.5 times of your RAM and the maximum should be more than 3 times. Now let's do the calculation. So in my case, I have 32 GB RAM. So what I will do is just simply first, I will just simply type 1024 because that's the size of 1 megabyte. So 1024 multiplied by 32. Then after getting 32.768, I will just simply again multiply it to 1.5. Now according to the Microsoft, the minimum MB that I can put over here should be 1.5 times more than my RAM. So as you can see, it showed me 49.152. I'll just simply enter it over here. Now for the maximum part, what I will do is just simply again start it over. 1024 into 32. Then as shown in the article, it should be more than 3 times of your RAM. So I will just simply multiply it by 3. Into, and now it came out to be 98,304. Now just simply enter it over here. And after that, just simply click on set, but make sure your C drive is selected over here. And if it is, just simply hit set and hit OK. Then just simply click on OK. Then after that, just simply restart your computer for the change to happen. Now after the restart, if I go back to my settings, then system, then storage, then scroll down and click on advanced storage settings, then storage used for other devices, then drive C, then system unreserved. And now as you can see, my virtual memory has become 48 GB. So it has increased vastly. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.